Hello, my name is Charles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a laptop screen, a cracked laptop screen, on a Gateway model LT2016 netbook. And here you can see, you should be able to see brightness everywhere. There's a crack in the screen there. So today, one of the tools that we're going to be using to replace it is an X-Acto knife. And what you will want to do is you have to remove the bezel from around the screen area, and you can take the X-Acto knife and just place it in between where the black portion of the bezel meets the silver portion of the outside bezel. And if you can see here, try to position it. Just go and take it and just work your way slowly all the way around, like so. It should pop off fairly easily. You don't want to try to force too much pressure so you don't break it. Got that side off. Begin working on this side, like so. And flip this in the laptop to where we can get to the bottom portion here. Your time with it so you don't mess your bezel up. Okay. Has a little bit of glue stuck on it. So, remove the bezel. Okay. Next thing to do, you see there are some screws that hold the screen in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We want to remove those. And hopefully my screwdriver is small enough. Have a flat tip screwdriver. I can begin to loosen these screws up here. One, two, three. Position here so you can see. 4, 5, and 6. There we go. Now, you do that. There are also two screws on each side that holds the screen onto the support banner. Sorry, there's 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. What I do is take those screws off there. That's 1. 2. 3. 3. And the last one is 4. Okay. Now, behind the screen, there is some tape. There we go. It's actually a little camera piece there. But you can see the screen here. And so basically, what you just want to do is to remove this tape here. And to go along and remove it here at the bottom. And then if you look here, there's a couple more pieces of tape here. Another one here. Now this piece here actually holds the connection for the screen itself, so you want to be real careful when removing that. There's a really large piece of clear tape there. Just go around, remove it easily. Take this stuff back down. And once you remove that, you should be able to unplug your connector, which comes right off. And that's your old broken laptop screen there. Now all you have to do is just, we have a replacement here. Brand new one. See? And it looks similar to the same on the back. And basically all you have to do is just go back into reverse order, and there you have it. So today I showed you how to replace a broken laptop screen on a Gateway netbook. Hope this helps. Thank you, and make sure that you check with laptopscreens.com. A very good link to getting quality laptop screens at a very reasonable price. Thank you.